Welcome to the Otii Quick Start series. In this video, you will discover how to connect your embedded or IoT device and set up Otii hardware to power and measure it. A good practice here will be to build your own banana cables leading out to the battery connector of your device under test. For example, see two types of JST connectors and a pair of mini test hook clips to connect directly to the device under test pin. Note that the shorter the cables, the less voltage drop and introduced noise will occur, thus better the measurement. Connect Otii hardware banana connector leads to the device under test to power it up and measure current, voltage, and power channels. Make sure to remove any power source the device under test may have, either a connected battery or a USB power connection. The maximum voltage supplied by the Otii Arc Pro is 5 volts, and for the Otii Ace Pro is 25 volts. Multiple configurations and use cases are possible when connecting the device under test. Check out Coite documentation and explore each of the support configurations for further analysis. The control section of Otii allows for precise configuration tailored to the specific technical parameters of the device under test. Next to Otii hardware name, set the voltage recommended for your device. It is important to note that Otii Arc Pro version has output voltage limitations depending on your settings. If you power it with USB only, the limit is 3.75 volts in auto range mode and 4.2 volt in high range mode. If you also power it with a DC adapter, the limits are 4.55 volts in auto range mode and 5 volts in high range mode. The Otii Ace Pro version can work up to 25 volts with just the USB connection. Under General Settings, choose Power Box if it has not already been chosen. Set overcurrent protection to a suitable level. Make sure that the current is low enough to not burn your device, but high enough to not exceed the current limit on the normal operation. We encourage you to check Coite documentation for further details on all possible configurations in the General Settings section. That's it for setting up an embedded or IoT device for measurements with the Otii product suite. The next step is to define and set up the channels to be measured for further analysis. For more tips and advanced features, check out our next video to master Otii usage, or visit docs.coite.com for further details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for Coitec latest content.